Welcome to our tutorial on how to enable the quality filter for notifications on Twitter using your PC. Let's walk through the simple steps to ensure you have control over the quality of your notification settings. Begin by navigating to your notifications timeline on Twitter, where you can access all your notifications in one place. Once you're in the notifications section, let's move on to the next step. To filter your notifications and access the quality filter option, locate and click on the Settings option within the notifications timeline. This will allow you to customize your notification preferences to ensure you receive notifications based on quality. Within the Settings menu, you'll find the Quality Filter option. Click on the box next to the Quality Filter to turn it on. This will enable the quality filter and ensure that you receive notifications with a focus on quality. By following these steps, you can easily manage and customize your notification settings on Twitter, allowing you to stay informed and engaged with your Twitter community while prioritizing quality notifications. Take control of the quality of notifications you receive on Twitter by enabling the quality filter and tailoring your notifications to your preferences. Stay connected and up to date with all interactions on your Twitter account by following these straightforward steps.